Hi, so today we have a lot of things to do. First of all, I want to put the shaft back to the place. Here we have a lot of stuff. Bought some oils, some filters and etc. So I'm going to connect the shaft, which is here, back to the place. So shaft is on the place, it's here. It's connected. We'll proceed.
Okay, as you remember, we had some troubles with cal pliers as they didn't want to, go all the way down. So new was bad. New cal pliers, each side, front and rear. New brake discs, brake pads, and brake discs. Brakes are ready. Nice.
Hello, Jacek.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Removing oil from the differential. Give me the hammer. Yes. Yeah. Ow.
It is expensive item, man.
My hand is expensive item.
Beautiful. Beautiful, Jacek.
Look at this. Will there be an oil in the differential? You would never know. Looks like a honey. Yeah. Changing the filters. This is the old one, and here's the new one.
Really?
Yeah.
Fuck, it was so fucking fast action, man.
Yeah.
Hyper duper nice. And you know what? And you know what? And you know what?
What?
They don't know this, but we know already. Ta-da! The X-House is back, baby. And the oil in differential is changed. Now Jacek says he will replace the engine oil. And what's next? We need to change also oil in the gearbox.
This will be more problematic.
Yeah.
But we'll manage, maybe.
Somehow. Dance time. Okay, so yes, and we have also the spare plugs. Spare plugs. Kurwa, yes.
Spare plugs. Yes. This is the engine. Very busy day. Yes. New oil with engine cleaner.
Yes.
So once
it's the engine cleaner is not there yet.
not there. Yet. So we have engine cleaner right here.
Over here.
And yeah, so this is something like this. Engine flush. Yeah, engine flush. So maybe in few next days we'll run this engine, make it run for some time to wash it all, if it starts, because there's a question about this. So there's new oil in the engine, new spark plugs,
New oil in the differential.
different new oil in differential.
The exhaust is connected. The exhaust is back. The shaft is back to the place.
Yeah, everything basically underneath the car is already placed.
We got everything with tight everything with the torque
Yes,
in the book from the book.
new brakes, new brake pads, new cal pliers. Also, the interior has been washed already, partly of course, and we'll assemble interior and try to start the engine.
Yes.
Perhaps in next episode, so this will be a big day.
Yes.
Alrighty, thank you very much for watching.
Thank you very much. Put some comments.
Put some comments, yeah. Give a like, subscribe if you want. If you're not, that's okay too.
Yeah. So right to us, we are fucking assholes and
Yeah.